Hello Year 12, today we are going to be doing enlargements. Okay, so enlargement is whenever you make a shape bigger or smaller from a scale by using a scale factor. So we're going to enlarge this shape by a scale factor of 3, so I can see that I'm going to start off with this wee bit at the bottom. So I go 3 across, and because it goes 1 up, I'm going to go 3 up, and because it goes 1 across, I keep going up in threes, whole way around. And you can see it's now, all the dimensions are 3 times bigger. Okay, this is fairly straightforward. Enlarge this shape with a scale factor of 2, so I can see the base is 4, so I'm going to make it 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go up 1 across 2. From here, I go up 2 and across 1, sorry, so I'm going to double that. 4 and across 2, so it's going to end up there. And then it's going to turn them up. Next one, work out the area of rectangle A. So rectangle A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimetre square boxes. And what is the scale factor of enlargement? If rectangle B is an enlargement of A, well I can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 wide. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wide. So because it's twice as long, the scale factor is 2. Enlarge shape A by scale factor 4 using the point P as a centre of enlargement. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask, how do I get from point P to this bottom left hand corner? Well, I'll just go right by 1 square, so I'm going to make that 4 times bigger. So instead of going right 1, I'm going to go right 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 brings me there. Now I'm going to ask, how do I get from here to this bottom right hand corner? So we'll go across 3. So I'm going to make that 4 times bigger, which means go across 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From there, I can either just draw it out, or I can do it for every single corner. Okay, so I'm going to start off by going every single corner, but I'll finish it off just by drawing it out. So go to this corner here, I go across 3 and up 1. So I'm now going to go across 12, which I know is there, and up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to end up drawing my little point there. Okay, I can actually just do it by eye now because I know all these lengths are just going to get 4 times bigger. So this one here is going to go back 4, it's going to go up 4. And then it's going to go back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is my shape. Okay. Now the way that we check that it's right is, all you have to do is, now you're going to use a ruler. If you join a line, they should be fairly smooth, like so, from the point through the axis to all the other points. And so forth, okay? Moving on. Enlarge the rectangle by scale factor 2 using the centre of enlargement -1, 0. So -1, 0 is right there. Okay? Now scale factor of 2, if I go from here to the bottom, top left hand corner, I go up 2 and across 1. So I'm going to double that by going up 4 and across 2. Okay? That's going to bring me here. I'm going to do the same thing from this X to the bottom left hand corner. So down 1, left 1. So I'm going to go down 2, left 2 because it's a scale factor of 2. It's going to bring me here. To get to this bottom right hand corner, I have to go across 1, 2, 3 and down 1. So I want to go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and down 2. And I can actually just see where the last one's going to be because it's a rectangle. There's my enlarged shape. Okay, and again, going down lines through the equivalent corners should line up. You just do the same thing for that one. Next one. What is the scale factor of enlargement? Okay, well this is 1, 2, 3 wide, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wide. Well, I know that to go from 3 to 9, I have to multiply by 3. So the scale factor must be 3. Rectangle E is enlarged by a scale factor 20 to give F. Write down the length and the width of rectangle F. Well, if this is 9 wide and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall, well, if the scale factor is 20, I just have to multiply both those numbers by 20. So the width is 180 and 100. Okay. And finally, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Okay. The first point, this is going to be worth, it says 2, but in a test, it's going to be worth 3. Okay. Your first mark is for actually just saying the phrase enlargement. Okay. Then what you have to do, now this isn't going to be that accurate because these lines aren't great on this app, okay, but you draw a line going from one corner through the corresponding corner, okay, on the same shape. Now if you do it with a ruler, it'll be a lot more accurate than mine, okay. You do that for all the corners. And you can see that all those lines are joined up right here. Okay. Now we're asked what maps shape A onto B. It's an enlargement. It's going from 2 wide to 4 wide. So the scale factor must be 2 because it's 2 times bigger. And the centre of enlargement is 7, 6. 7, 6. Okay. Right, guys, I'm going to attach a worksheet to this. If you just have a wee go at that, the answers will be at the link at the bottom. Okay, all the best now. Cheerio.